Hey there, welcome to the video where we tackle an interesting problem related to TypeScript. So, let's dive into the problem at hand without further ado. In the given problem, the issue lies in restricting the return type of a function being passed as an argument to only allow objects, but TypeScript is allowing anything despite using extends object. Let's explore a solution to this conundrum. The initial solution provided involves defining a Chainable type where the to method accepts a type, u that extends object. However, this doesn't prevent u from being a function type, which causes the unexpected behavior. To address this, a workaround using an approximation is proposed. By defining a NonFunction type as an object without a call property, it effectively restricts functions from being considered as valid types for u. This adjustment ensures that only non-function objects are accepted as arguments. Moving forward with this approach, we can see that by applying the non-function type constraint, the to method is able to correctly identify and restrict the function types, providing the desired behavior. In conclusion, by carefully defining type constraints and leveraging conditional types, we were able to overcome the challenge of restricting the return type of functions to only allow objects in TypeScript. Hopefully, this solution sheds some light on how to handle similar scenarios in your own projects. Well, that's a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips, like if you found this helpful, and comment below with your favorite TypeScript feature. Remember, stay curious and keep coding.